Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week, we went out to the Spring 2023 Turkey Run Car Show at Daytona International Speedway. There were a lot of awesome cars. Check out the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Even if you ain't got far to go, you gotta be careful. Yeah. So there's his blue.
Yeah.
And his other one?
Jenny's. That's Jenny's Hellcat.
Yeah. I thought she was gonna get a blue one like Sherry's. Where do you want to eat?
I don't know.
You want to do Whataburger? If you do, we gotta go out and come back forward, and then we'll be stuck in traffic.
I was actually thinking we'd catch Arby's or something, or there's a Wendy's, I think. They're
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Remember that one year it was so full out here, we ended up parking out here by this bathroom?
Yeah. By the far fence, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gotten a lot smaller since COVID.
Yeah.
The old folks died off, I think.
A lot of them can't afford them and are actually selling them too now. That's sad.
Light it up, man. Not happening.
What? Oh, he's wanting you to spin the tires?
Mm-hmm.
No. Could you even?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought so, but okay.
Yeah, just lay on the brakes and stand on the gas. Of course, again, might only chirp the tires of that.
Yeah. Don't want to wear my tires out doing that.
Not as expensive as the damn tires are anymore.
Mm-mm.
You know, I think that's the lake we're smelling.
Might be. It does. It smells like wet dirt.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about selling the trailer?
Well, it's an idea. I mean, it's not a bad idea, but that was going to be our...
Extra income.
Right.
Yeah.
For your retirement. And
Yeah.
I think we just need to, when we get, whenever you get Miss Wanda's house sold, get the plumbing done in the house.
Yeah.
Whatever floor fixing needs to be done. Move back into the house and rent the trailer.
Yeah.
'Cause you can make $2,000 a month on the damn trailer.
Yeah.
Easy $2,000.
Yeah.
She says, "Oh, sell it." No, we bought it for a damn reason.
And I didn't want her to know about what Miss Wanda's daughter-in-law did. And even when I talked to him at the office, and I said, well, should I just terminate this contract? Oh, heck no.
No, you never terminate a contract.
Yeah.
You let them terminate the contract. what you probably need to do is before you get Miss Wanda to sign that contract again, you get Sherry to send you whatever wording you need to put in there.
She's still got to agree to it, son.
Yeah. But you gotta know how to word it.
Yeah. Where it goes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that I can be that aggressive. Maybe. But Sherry's been at it a while.
What you need to tell Miss Wanda is go, alright, I'm gonna relist your house, we're gonna relist it at this amount. However, I'm putting in the contract that if it doesn't sell in this amount of time, I'm automatically dropping it to this amount. If it doesn't sell in that amount of time, at that price, we're dropping it again at this amount, at this price.
Yeah.
Pre-planned steps.
Yeah. Okay.
That way
Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.